The best camping tables do more than enhance your camping experience, they're an absolute summer essential for garden barbecues and beach trips, as well as being an obvious boon to any camping trip. In our roundup, we feature camping tables of all sizes, from small surfaces ideal for camping couples to tables fit for a family vacation. Based on our tests, these are the best camping table you can buy in 2023. Number 1, Lifetime 4428 Height Adjustable Folding Utility Table. When we compare prices to overall performance, nearly nothing compares to the Lifetime Utility Table. It's a great general-purpose design and is hands down one of the best deals on the market, earning it our top honors for the 5th year in a row. Throughout our testing, it scored high marks and is one of the more practical and usable tables we used. It's stable, strong, portable, and easy to set up and take down. We love the workable surface area it offers, and with the steel legs adjusted to their highest setting, this is the tallest table we've reviewed. Even better, this table has no X-braces, allowing plenty of room for knees and legs, making it more than just a prepped table. Lifetime has some serious perks but isn't perfect. It's heavy, and its bright white tabletop shows dirt, smudges, and spills. The plastic-based, injection-molded tabletop is also less fire and heat-resistant than its all-metal competitors, but it's almost dent-proof and otherwise exceptionally durable. It might not bear the appearance of a traditional camping table, but its utilitarian appeal cannot be denied, and the price is right. Pros: easy setup with adjustable legs, lots of surface area, easy to clean, a weight capacity of up to 200 pounds. Cons: slightly bulky and heavy. Number 2, Coleman Outdoor Aluminum Camping Table. The first table to make it into our top 10 is the Coleman Aluminum Camping Table. This sturdy table is constructed of a snap-together aluminum frame that takes seconds to assemble. The countertop itself is made of aluminum slats that are rolled up for storage and travel purposes but take no time to unravel. Once unrolled, simply insert 2 rods for rigidity, and, hey presto, you have a solid all-aluminum camping table at the ready. Both the frame and the top fit inside the included carry bag, so you can keep things nice and tidy when you aren't using the table. Weighing 10 pounds. This isn't a super lightweight camping table, but it isn't particularly heavy either. It's nice and roomy too, easily fitting 4 people, so it's perfect for families or if you want to invite your fellow campers around for dinner on your camping trip. Overall, we're confident that the solid, no-frills design of this camping table means that it will last you a while, and, at this price, we think it's a steal. But if you don't want to take our word for it, there's a 1-year warranty included too. Pros: affordable, carry bag included, durable aluminum top and frame, 1-year warranty included. Seats 4. Cons: no seats included. Number 3, Trichology Folding Camping Side Table. If you're after something a little smaller than the previous options, then we have something for you, the Trichology Camping Side Table. This camp table features an aluminum top with a beautiful metallic coating that not only looks great but is also waterproof, durable, and folds away neatly. The frame is made of the same material and opens via reinforced hinges, so assembly only takes a few seconds. The legs are inserted into caps that are designed to be anti-slip, so they won't go popping out on you when you have a table full of treats. Available in small, medium, and large sizes. You can find the size that's right for you. Even the largest size weighs just over 3 pounds, yet despite its lightweight, it can withstand a decent load for its size. This portable camping table is ideal if you want a surface for your coffee breaks or somewhere to pop your gear at the end of a long day. We love that it's gorgeous but also weather resistant, and it comes at a very reasonable price too. It probably isn't the one for you if you need somewhere to feed a family of 4, but for those smaller occasions, you'll be hard-pressed to find a nicer option. Pros: beautiful design, durable, anti-slip legs, lightweight, carry case included, affordable. Cons: weight capacity could be better. Number 4, REDCAMP Folding Aluminum Camping Table. When fully unfolded, this compact table features a wide countertop to accommodate crockery, food and drinks, perfect for tailgating and picnics. This camp table has a telescoping design that allows you to adjust the height of the table from 15 inches to 28 inches, weighing only 9 pounds. This table is lightweight enough to carry with ease yet sturdy enough to hold up to 70 pounds of items. Because of its exceptional durability, remarkable design and hassle-free setup, this folding camping table is our best overall pick. Tired of having to lug around a heavy, bulky table? With this REDCAMP Folding Camping Table, you won't have that issue. Made of heavy-duty aluminum, this folding camping table features U-shaped side supports and a safety latch that adds to its stability and durability. The table can be folded in a small size which is easy to carry and store in limited space. The table that comes with 4 separate legs and 3 different adjustable heights is made of premium aluminum but is not heavy. It is multifunctional for your family. Pros: comes with a convenient carrying handle, height can be adjusted, sturdy and stable. Aluminum build. Cons: may be unsteady on uneven ground. Number 5. Portal lightweight aluminum folding camping table. It lacks a wow factor, but if you're simply looking for a basic, portable camping table, the Portal Outdoor lightweight aluminum is easy on the bank account and good enough to get the job done. If you just need a basic table for light-duty work, this is your best option. The Portal is lightweight and sturdy enough for general use in most outdoor environments. It doesn't rely on a bungee system to hold its folding tabletop design in place, giving this table a leg up on its peers in terms of durability. The Portal certainly isn't big-boned, and most of its key moving parts are made from thin plastic, leaving a large question mark on its long-term durability. It's also a little short, and the X-shaped metal braces force most adults to sit sideways instead of placing their knees under the table. These drawbacks aside, we still think that this model proves its value by sufficing for many camping and backyard needs without costing too much. If you won't use your table a lot, this one works and saves cash. Reasons to buy: inexpensive, lightweight for its size, sturdy enough. Reasons to avoid: X-frame prohibits knees from fitting underneath.